Come test drive 2021 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.